My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous segment, in other words, in the section 13, we have very clearly discussed about some valuable ideas in connection with the numbers of noun and a pronoun. Okay, and in this segment, I am going to draw your attention towards the genders of nouns and pronouns. Gender play very important role in determining correct pronoun and avoiding ambiguity in sentences at the time of speaking and writing. Yes, as we know that we have four genders. Let's see how genders of noun. Yes, this is the topic of our discussion. A word which shows different sex of noun and pronoun is known as a gender. Yes, whenever we speak or write at the environment, we should be careful about the gender because gender determines correct pronoun and avoids ambiguity in sentences, as I have already told. Yes, this is the most important factor. Again, genders can be classified in four types, as you know in your previous classes. Yes, in this class, therefore, we want to know what are our four types of genders and how they are used correctly at the time of speaking and writing. Okay, now see, here we find the first one is masculine gender. Yes, masculine gender refers to male sex. Number two, feminine gender refers to female sex. Okay, and number three, common gender refers to either sex. It means both feminine and masculine. Next, neuter gender refers to objects or things that are not male or female. It means, in other words, neither sex. Masculine and feminine. Here we have taken in columns in connection with the relationship between masculine and feminine genders. Okay. Here, bachelor, spinster or maid. Yes, I mean the unmarried girl. Yes, here bachelor, unmarried boy. Similarly, nephew, niece, monk, nun, lord or gentleman, lady, god, goddess, man servant, maid servant. Yes, man servant, maid servant. Okay, master, I mean teacher. Here we find mistress, headmaster, headmistress. Yes, here master. Whenever we regard master as a boy, in that case, miss, young boy, young girl. Master, miss. Okay. Next, Mr., Mrs. And here we find bridegroom, bride, heir. You see, heir, heiress, heir, heiress. Okay, heir, heiress. Again, horse, mare, female horse, and dog, beast. He goat, she goat. Here we have taken he or she in order to indicate male and female. Gender, goose, yes, peacock, peacock, peahen, male, female. Okay, cock hen, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, female tiger. He bear, he and she, indicating male and female. Okay, and next, giant, giantess, host, hostess. Yes, air host. Who is the host of the meeting? Priest, priestess, emperor, empress. Lad means young boy. This is Latin language, lad, and here lass, young girl. Widower, widow. Widower means the person who has lost his wife. And here, widow means the woman who has lost her husband. Okay. Next, stepfather. Yes, stepfather, as you know. Okay, and stepmother. Next, washerman, washerwoman. Okay, and boar here. Sow means a female bear. Okay. Similarly, here inspector, inspectress. Okay. Governor, governess. King, queen. Foster father. What do you mean foster father? The male member who has adopted a child of others to take care of his own. In that case, that is what you call foster father. Yes, a male nurse, opposite gender is female nurse. Okay, and here male child, female child, bull, cow. Next is another idea, that is common gender. When a noun gives no indication of sex, it may be of either of two sexes, male or female. Such noun is called common gender. Okay. Examples of common gender. Yes, parent. Whenever we indicate parent, we can find that may be father or may be mother. Here we find that parent is a common gender. Okay. Similarly, student, teacher, cousin, child, friend, pupil, servant, person, enemy, orphan, baby, infant, neighbor, doctor, guest, nurse, guide, clerk, fisher, driver, passenger, author, poet, dentist, cook, artist, so on. Yes, are the examples of common gender. Yes, these are very interesting examples that should be remembered. Neuter gender. What do you mean by neuter gender? Question arises. Then see, the things without life belong to neuter gender. So remember, all material and abstract nouns are of neuter gender. Yes, this is interesting factor. All material, I mean lifeless things, and abstract nouns, it means abstract ideas indicating any action, any state or condition, any quality or any abstract ideas, they are usually treated as a neuter gender. Some examples: table, chair, book, pen, pencil, air, sand, milky, childhood, poverty, permission, and a number of uncountable nouns. Basically, that is material and abstract nouns come to this group. Dear students, gender of nouns and pronouns should be properly understood and used so that there should be no question of any ambiguity or confusion at the time of speaking and writing. Hope you must have enjoyed this class. Go through the video from the beginning to end, like it, share it, subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Enjoy it, apply it in your day-to-day life of speaking and writing. Have a nice day. See you in the next segment with an examination on noun for testing your comprehension in connection with the noun. Till then, goodbye.